Imagine waking up one day and finding out that everything around you, your favorite clothes, medicine, even your smartphone, just got more expensive. But wait, that's not all. What if I told you that a single decision made in the US could shake India's economy, kill thousands of jobs, crash businesses, and even weaken our rupee? Sound extreme, right? Well, it's happening right now. The US has just announced a new tariff policy that directly affects India. But here's the catch, this isn't just another trade dispute. It's something that could change the future of our economy forever. If you skip this video, you might never know how deep this problem goes, and by the time you realize it, it might be too late. Stay till the end because I promise you what I am about to reveal will shock you. So here's what's happening. The US just introduced reciprocal tariffs. In simple words, America has decided that if any country charges higher taxes on the US goods, they will now get taxed equally when exporting to the US. And guess what? India is one of the main targets of this policy. Why? Because for years India has been charging higher import taxes on US products. For example, if an American car company wants to sell a luxury car in India, they pay 100% import duty. But when India sells its textiles or IT services to the US, they pay for less. And now America says enough is enough. Sounds fair? Maybe. But here's the twist. The might look like an ordinary trade dispute, but here's what no one will tell you. This policy will hurt India more than anyone else. India's biggest export textile and IT services heavily depend on the US market. If tariffs goes up, India companies will be forced to sell their product at higher prices. And what happens? When something becomes expensive, people stop buying. This means fewer sales, lower profits, and eventually job cuts. Thousands of small and medium-sized businesses in India could shut down overnight. The stock market is already reacting. Foreign investors are pulling out and our rupee is getting weaker every day. A weak rupee means we will have to pay more oil, electronics, and even daily essentials. Now here's something to think about. Who do you think will be affected first? The billionaires? The big corporations? No, it's the middle class, the common people like you and me. Your job, your businesses, and even your savings. Everything is at risk. And yet, almost no one is talking about this. Now the big question is, what can India do? Should we fight back or play smart? India has three options. Negotiate. PM Modi is already in the talking with the US to lower tariffs on some American goods in exchange for keeping Indian exports safe. But will the US agree? India could shift focus to Europe, Japan and the Middle East. But building strong trade relationships takes years. India could also impose higher taxes on American goods like iPhones, Harley Davidson bikes and even American Ford brands. But here's the catch. Would this really help the US or will it backfire on us? What do you think India should do? Drop a comment below and tell me. Here's the harsh reality, the trade war has already begun. And if this escalates, we could see rising price, more unemployment and even weaker rupees. The real question is, will India survive this or we heading towards an economic disaster? I will be covering this topic as it unfolds, so make sure you don't miss any updates. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe today for more eye-opening insights. Trust me, what's coming next, you won't believe it. See you in the next time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.